In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a watch list on Google Finance. If you've got a watch list you no longer use, removing it can help keep your Google Finance workspace tidy and easier to navigate. A watch list is simply a collection of stocks, funds, or other securities you're tracking. Deleting one won't affect your actual brokerage holdings. It only removes that list from Google Finance. With that in mind, let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. First, open your web browser and go to google.com/finance. This takes you to the Google Finance homepage where you'll see market summaries, news, and tools for your portfolios. Make sure you're viewing the account where your watch list lives so you delete the right one. Next, look to the very top left corner of the page and click the three horizontal lines. This is the main navigation menu. Clicking it slides open a side panel with sections like markets, news, and your portfolios. If you're on a smaller screen, this menu is the easiest way to get to your lists. Now, select Watchlist from that side panel. This opens your watchlist view. If you keep multiple watchlists, confirm you've opened the specific one you want to remove by checking the name at the top of the page and the tickers it contains. It's worth pausing for a second here to make sure you're looking at the correct list, because the next steps will permanently delete it. With the watch list open, move to the upper right area of that watch list page and click the three dots icon. This is the overflow menu for the list itself. When you click it, you'll see a small menu of actions you can take on this watch list. Choose delete from the menu. Google Finance will show a confirmation prompt to prevent accidental deletions. Read the message carefully. Deleting a watch list removes the entire list and its contents from your Google Finance account, and it can't be undone. To finish, click delete again on the confirmation prompt. The watch list will be removed immediately. You'll be taken back to your portfolio or watch lists view, and you should no longer see the deleted list in your sidebar or in your recent items. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page and it will update. That's all it takes. Quick tip before we wrap up. If your goal is to clean up a list without losing it entirely, consider removing individual symbols instead of deleting the whole watch list. But if you're certain you don't need it, the steps we covered are the fastest, cleanest way to stay organized in Google Finance.